Hi everyone. Today we are focusing on safe lifting techniques. Important lifting can lead to a serious back injuries. But the following some simple steps you can protect yourself. Let's get started. Before you lift, assess the load. If it is too heavy, awkward, ask for help or use lifting aid like a dolly. Plan your lift by making sure you have clear path and place set the objects down. To lift safely, stand close to the object when your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and keep your back straight. Use your legs to lift, not your back. Hold the object close to your body to maintain balance and reduce strain. Avoid twisting while lifting. If you need to turn, move your feet instead of twisting your toes. When setting the object down, use the same techniques in reverse. Bend your knees and keep your back straight. For team lifting, communication is a key. Make sure everyone involved know the plan and lift at the same time. Lift ununity and keep the load balanced. To wrap up, safe lifting is all about using proper techniques and knowing your limits. By following these steps, you can prevent injuries and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips.